Begins with truckloads of mangoes arriving at the factory. These trucks, filled to the brim with the season's best harvest, make their way from the orchards to the processing plant. These mangoes, grown under the warm sun, are bursting with flavor and ready to be transformed. Each crate holds a treasure trove of golden fruit, handpicked at the peak of ripeness to ensure the best quality. Each mango is like a little piece of sunshine, just waiting to be enjoyed. Their vibrant colors and smooth skins are a testament to the care and dedication of the farmers who nurtured them. The air is thick with the sweet aroma of ripe mangoes, a tropical symphony for the senses. Factory workers meticulously inspect each fruit, ensuring only the finest make it through the next stages of processing. This is where the magic of turning fruit into a delicious drink begins. The mangoes are washed, sorted, and prepared for their transformation. From here, they will be peeled, pulped, and blended into a refreshing beverage that captures the essence of summer in every sip. Before anything else, the mangoes take a bath. Special machines gently wash and rinse the fruit, removing any dirt or debris. This step is crucial to ensure the final product is clean and safe for consumption. Think of it like giving the mangoes a refreshing dip in a pool, getting them squeaky clean. After all, nobody wants a gritty mango juice. Next comes the peeling and pulping stage. The mangoes are first peeled and pitted by specialized machines. These clever contraptions separate the skin and seed from the juicy pulp. Then the pulp is collected and blended into a smooth, thick puree. This process is like giving the mangoes a big bear hug, squeezing out every last drop of goodness. Now, for the secret sauce pasteurization. This crucial step is what sets our mango juice apart from the rest. The mango puree is heated to a specific temperature for a set time. This precise control is essential to ensure that the pasteurization process is effective. This process eliminates any harmful bacteria, ensuring the juice is safe and has a longer shelf life. Our team meticulously monitors the temperature and timing to guarantee the highest standards of safety and quality. It's like giving the mango juice a quick spa treatment, where the heat works its magic to preserve the natural goodness, making sure it stays fresh and delicious for weeks to come. Don't worry, the pasteurization process is designed to maintain the vibrant flavor and nutritional value of the mangoes. The heat doesn't compromise the flavor. In fact, it helps to lock in the taste that mango lovers crave. It simply makes it safer. Each bottle is carefully sealed and inspected to ensure it meets our rigorous quality standards before it reaches you. Enjoy the perfect blend of safety, freshness, and flavor with every sip. Before bottling, the juice undergoes rigorous quality checks. Technicians test its color, flavor, and consistency to ensure it meets the highest standards. They are like the guardians of good taste, making sure every sip is a tropical delight. Only the best juice makes it to the bottling stage. Finally, the juice is ready for its grand finale. After a meticulous process of selecting the finest mangoes, extracting their rich nectar, and blending it to perfection, the juice is now prepared for the final stages of its journey. Sparkling clean bottles are filled with the vibrant mango juice, capped and labeled. Each bottle undergoes a rigorous quality check to ensure it meets the highest standards. The automated bottling machines work seamlessly, filling each bottle with precision and care, ensuring that every drop of juice is as fresh and delicious as the first. The bottles are then packed into boxes, ready to be shipped to stores near and far. The packing process is just as important as the bottling, with each box carefully assembled to protect the bottles during transit. The automated packing lines ensure efficiency and consistency, while workers oversee the process to guarantee that every box is perfectly packed. Each bottle is like a little piece of summer, just waiting to be enjoyed. The vibrant color and enticing aroma of the mango juice are preserved in every bottle, capturing the essence of the fruit and the warmth of the season. Whether enjoyed on a hot day or as a refreshing treat, each sip brings a taste of sunshine. From the moment the mangoes arrive at the factory to the final packaged product, the journey is a testament to the dedication and care that goes into creating a delicious and refreshing beverage. The entire process, from sorting the mangoes to bottling the juice, is a coordinated effort that involves many skilled hands and advanced technology. Every step is designed to maintain the quality and flavor of the mangoes, ensuring that the final product is something truly special. So next time you enjoy a glass of mango juice, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took from farm to bottle. Think about the farmers who nurtured the mangoes, the workers who carefully processed them, and the technology that made it all possible.